Revolut Premium Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They think all premium banking apps are the same, offering just a slightly better version of a basic account. But Revolut Premium in 2025 is more than just a fancy app. It's a financial ecosystem designed for frequent travelers, savvy spenders, and anyone who wants to manage money smarter. Today, we'll explore every detail of Revolut Premium, from features to fees, and help you decide if it's worth it or should be left alone. Let's start with ***. What Revolut Premium is ***. Revolut is a financial technology company that offers digital banking solutions. The premium plan is an upgraded account that provides additional benefits beyond the standard free account. It's designed for people who travel often, want enhanced security features, or want access to perks like travel insurance and higher withdrawal limits. Here's **** how Revolut Premium works in 2025 ***. 1. Account features ***. With Revolut Premium, you get a multi-currency account supporting over 30 currencies, real-time currency exchange at interbank rates, free international ATM withdrawals up to 400 per month, priority customer support, virtual cards for safer online payments, disposable virtual cards that refresh after every online transaction. 2. Travel benefits ***. Revolut Premium shines for travelers. Comprehensive overseas medical insurance, delayed baggage and flight insurance, access to airport lounges via Lounge Key, sometimes with discounts, travel disruption coverage. 3. Spending and savings tools ***. The app includes advanced features, budgeting and analytics, to track spending across categories, vaults, to save money automatically or round up transactions, cryptocurrency and stock trading, limited in some countries, premium cards with exclusive designs. 4. Subscription fee ***. Revolut Premium costs $12.99, $14.99 per month, depending on your region. Annual payments often come with slight discounts. The question is whether the perks justify this recurring cost. Now let's break down the *** pros and cons of Revolut Premium in 2025 ***. Pros ***. Excellent for travel ***. Interbank currency exchange, free overseas ATM withdrawals, and travel insurance make it ideal for frequent travelers. Enhanced security ***. Virtual and disposable cards protect against online fraud. Financial management tools ***. Budgeting, analytics, and savings vaults help users manage money efficiently. Premium support ***. Faster customer support for urgent banking issues. Additional perks ***. Lounge access, higher withdrawal limits, and cryptocurrency access. Cons monthly fee $12.99, $14.99 might be steep for users who don't travel or use premium perks. Limited cashback unlike traditional credit cards, Revolut Premium doesn't offer significant cashback rewards. Dependent on app all services are app-based, so users who prefer in-person banking may find it inconvenient. Some features limited by country cryptocurrency trading, stock investing, or insurance may vary depending on your location. Consider real-world examples Mark, a frequent traveler uses Revolut Premium to manage multiple currencies without paying high foreign transaction fees. He also enjoys travel insurance for peace of mind during international trips. Lisa, a digital nomad leverages the app's budgeting tools and vaults to manage freelance income and savings. The virtual cards also protect her from online fraud. Tom, a casual spender finds that he doesn't use enough of the premium benefits to justify the monthly fee, highlighting that the plan is best for active, travel-oriented users. Comparing Revolut Premium to other digital banking options in 2025 N26 similar European-based app with travel benefits, but Revolut offers a wider range of currencies and disposable cards. Monzo Plus offers budgeting tools, but less travel-focused insurance coverage. Chime, or simple primarily domestic banking with basic budgeting tools, lacking premium travel perks. Asterisk asterisk tips to maximize Revolut Premium asterisk asterisk. 1. Asterisk asterisk use it for international spending asterisk asterisk pay in local currencies abroad to avoid hidden fees. 2. Asterisk asterisk leverage travel insurance asterisk asterisk make sure you understand the coverage and use it whenever you travel. 3. Asterisk asterisk use disposable virtual cards asterisk asterisk protect online purchases, especially for subscriptions or one-time transactions. 4. Asterisk asterisk withdraw cash wisely asterisk asterisk take advantage of the 400 free monthly limit. After that, fees apply. 5. Asterisk asterisk explore vaults and budgeting features asterisk asterisk automate savings to get the most value from the account. Asterisk asterisk security and support in 2025 asterisk asterisk. Revolut is regulated in Europe and offers strong security measures like biometric login, instant transaction alerts, and the ability to freeze/unfreeze cards instantly. Premium users get priority support, which is crucial if you're abroad and face urgent issues. So, the ultimate question. Asterisk asterisk is Revolut Premium worth it or leave it asterisk asterisk. If you asterisk asterisk travel frequently asterisk asterisk, use multiple currencies, or value security and convenience features, Revolut Premium is worth the monthly fee. The travel perks, insurance, and advanced card features can save you money and provide peace of mind. If you asterisk asterisk rarely travel or don't use premium tools asterisk asterisk, the standard Revolut account may suffice, and you might leave the premium plan. In conclusion, Revolut Premium in 2025 is more than just a banking app, it's a full financial ecosystem designed for travelers and digital-savvy users. With interbank exchange rates, travel insurance, virtual cards, and advanced budgeting tools, it offers tangible benefits that can outweigh the $12.99, $14.99 monthly fee for the right user. By aligning your spending habits and travel patterns with the card's perks, you can make Revolut Premium a powerful tool to save money, enhance security, and simplify your financial life. For active, international, and security-conscious users, it is absolutely worth it. For casual, domestic users, it may be best left aside.